Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. February 2021 is indeed a very special month for a lot of people, and indeed there is one more special reason to make this month extremely special is because of the fact that there are so many IPOs that will be coming up in this month. To name a few, RailTel will be issuing its IPO, and also there is another company which is majorly into healthcare. Probably you might have never heard this name before, but this company is indeed a very important company in this entire sector because they have somewhat market leadership also in this particular sector, and they are very renowned in the healthcare industry. I'm talking about NEURECA. NEURECA is a company which basically is into mother and child care. They're into orthopedic treatments, and they're into basically a lot of healthcare related products and services. So if you have a look at the company's overall profile over here, which is coming up on the screen right now, you'll be able to notice that the company was incorporated in the year 2016, and NEURECA Limited is basically into healthcare and wellness, and basically the company provides best quality, durable, innovative tools to monitor the chronic diseases and improve the lifestyle of the consumers. And also one more important factor about this company is that they are into, as I mentioned, nutrition supplements, lifestyle products, and they are all majorly involved in the healthcare industry, healthcare sector, and they are also one of the first in their respective sector to be able to come online, and they are now very good in the e-commerce sector as well, and they are able to sell their products and services on the online platforms also. So now that we've understood about the company's basic intro, let's understand the company's competitive strengths. So if you notice over here on the screen, the company's competitive strengths are, it has a diversified product portfolio. They're into mother and child welfare, they're into orthopedic treatment, they are into a lot of other chronic devices also. They basically make to take care of the healthcare related issues. And one more amazing advantage is that they have experienced promoters and management team, and they have a strong online distribution network. Along with that, they also offer you premium quality healthcare and wellness products. Talking about the company's promoters, Mr. Saurabh Goyal is the promoter of the company, is basically taking care of the company's overall operations and overall management. So now that we have understood a little bit about the company's overall profile, let's understand what is the company's financial performance has been in the recent past. So if you notice the next table that's coming up on the screen, which will tell you about the company's overall finances. So if you notice over here, the company's profit after tax in the year 31st March 2018 has been 31.12 million. In the next year, which is the 31st March 2019, the profits has slightly increased, almost doubled up, which means that the profit is now basically 62.26 million. And in the succeeding year, their profit has very little improvement. It has increased from 62 to 63, but considering the fact that COVID-19 was pretty evident that time, so probably that's the reason why they were not able to recover their losses and recover their profits. But in the same year, in the probably the third quarter, they were able to bounce back tremendously well because the overall demand for healthcare related things had increased phenomenally, and that's the reason why they were able to basically improve their revenue to almost 10 times, from 31 million in the year 2018 to almost 361.80 million in the year 2020 September. So which means the company is very well able to understand how the market functions and how they are able to basically utilize the entire services and products as well. And they were also capitalizing the fact that they were available online, and because of the fact that overall the entire country's shops and a lot of other essentials were not available, a lot of other different kinds of products and services were not very much easily accessible, but only online was something that people were preferring. So they were able to capitalize on that particular thing also. Now that we have understood the company's overall product portfolio and also about their finances and everything, let's understand the objective behind this particular issue. So if you notice on the screen right now, we'll be telling you about the objective. So over here, we can notice that there are two major reasons why they're issuing this particular IPO. Number one reason is that they have a working capital requirement of the business. Of course, they are trying to scale up the business, and that's the reason why they are basically trying to get use of couple of more financial streams so that they can take care of the basic working requirements. And another major advantage or another major objective of this particular issue is that they want to take care of the company's general corporate purposes. That's what they say. But I am assuming that this company is basically having some expansion plan, and that's the reason why they are actually planning to raise a little bit more funds to take care of all these expenses. And now that we've understood about all these aspects, let's understand what are the important dates, like the IPO related dates and the IPO's lot size, and how much are they basically trying to raise from this entire IPO. So the IPO's opening date is 15th February 2021. The closing date is February 17, 2021. The issue type is basically a book built IPO, and face value will be 10 rupees per equity share. The IPO price is going to be 396 to 400 rupees per equity share. The market lot is going to be 35 shares, and the minimum order quantity is also going to be 35 shares. Of course, the shares will be listed in BSE and NSE both, and the issue size will be around 100 crores. They are aggregating to like equity shares of rupees 10, which means they are aggregating up to almost 100 crore rupees. And one more amazing and interesting factor over here is that they're also giving some employee discounts. So people who are from Nureka, they will be able to capitalize on this particular discount option also. So definitely the company will not be raising this entire amount through a single person. They are trying to invite more and more people. So how much can you minimum invest over here, and what is the maximum that you can apply for? Let's have a look at that. So if you notice on the table right now, so minimum that you can apply for is one lot, which means 35 shares, which means the amount will be 14,000. And the maximum that you can go for is 14 lots, which means 490 shares, which means the amounts is going to be almost 1,96,000. Now that we've understood about all these basic factors, let's understand the fact that if at all you're not able to apply for this IPO, and if at all you're not able to successfully get the shares holding, by when will your amount be coming back in your bank account? And also, if at all you get successfully the hold of that particular share, by when will you be able to basically see your company listed on the stock market? Let's have a look at the final table on the screen right now. So over here, the issue opening date is February 15, 2021. The IPO closing date is February 17, 2021. The basis of allotment is going to be February 23rd, 2021. And the initiation of refund will be happening on the February 24th. The credit of shares will be happening on February 25th, and by the February 26th, you will be able to see the IPO listed on the respective stock markets. So I hope you found this video informative, and if at all you are planning to invest in this particular IPO, let us know in the comment section. And also, if you found this video informative, do share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming and business, definitely you should download the Financial Freedom app. The link of this app is provided in the description box. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time only on IndianMoney.com.